6th year in the Porsche Restoration Challenge. What we've done this year is accomplish what we planned to do a long time ago, which was get our main shop involved in restorations as well. Derek, with Chris's leadership, and John and the shop thought about this. They picked the color, they picked the transmission, they picked the body. Quite honestly, I couldn't be more excited and happy with what you guys are going to see as the final result.
And if you remember what it started as to where it is now, it's changed quite a bit. Yeah. You know, that's how these things go. This is our first build doing it, and so when you get into these kind of things, you think you have an idea, and the amount of changes that go into it, by the time the finished product is out there, it's a different car.
Project probably changed about 20, 30 times, honestly, throughout the whole process. It was pretty wild. Once we started tearing down the vehicle, you know, we started finding odd things like a whole family of pack rats and mice under the fuel tanks.
Some of the challenges were just obviously the age of the car. You know, it looked like the car had sat outside, maybe caught on fire at one point. So a lot of the wiring was damaged, a lot of the tunnel was damaged. You know, you watch these TV shows where they build a whole car in 30 minutes, and it's like, oh, it doesn't seem that bad. And that's kind of the mentality that I had with it. It's like, oh, it's a 914. You got like 6 wires in the car, and it should be good to go. And it's not that. It's not even close. It's honestly one of the most daunting things I've ever done. You have, I think it's at 11 months from start to finish, and that's not nearly enough time. And so with poor planning, I don't think that we could have achieved what we did.
That was the wild part. When we came back from paint and body, it was like a whole new team. You know, our inspiration totally changed. We could finally see what our end goal was coming to. I mean, it just really motivated for everybody to get to that last push, get this vehicle done and ready.
The thing that kind of set the interior off the most was the plaid material that we had chosen. So it was imported from Scotland. It took like 4 months to get here. A lot of that stuff was kind of designed around that, because obviously that's kind of the wow factor of the interior. I did custom design a center console for the car. So obviously we wanted to add as many creature comforts as we could, because the 914 had none. But the car is still a 914. It's still going to drive like a 914. You know, a little bump in horsepower is definitely going to help. The suspension that we've installed is definitely going to help the handling. You know, we put sticky tires on it, lighter wheels. It's going to be a fun car to drive.
We've got incredible support from our CEO, Ted Chapman, and the Chapman family, that we get to do this stuff that isn't necessarily measured by profit. It measures the passion that we have for the company that we work for. It measures the passion that we have for this fantastic brand. And for us, it's a duty to make sure that we share this passion with our staff members, with our technicians, with everybody that works at Porsche Tucson. And then we're fortunate that that passion is carried through the community. And you know, that may have not been the goal, but that's been the effect. It's a journey, like all our other restoration projects. They start out with the tedious task of doing the mundane stuff. Once you see your vision kind of start taking shape, it's contagious.